Welcome. If you want to transfer data from ASUS Zenfone Max M2 to other Android smartphone, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search and type here clone it. You have to get this application because we are transferring data with this app. So let's open. Click sender on your ASUS, click on the set, turn on location and just go back. Click sender once again and receiver on the Android phone. Here we have also turn on location and click on the search again. Tap on the Android share icon and we have two ways to connect. We can scan QR code and also we can input the password manually. So you have to choose what you want to do. I'm gonna scan QR code. Accept the request. And right now if you want to take everything, just click on all of these icons, then click on the start. If you get these notifications, click on the cancel. I'm gonna unselect it because I'm going here below for the details and I will send only this for photos. So click on the start, OK. And as you can see, it is finished. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and of course subscribe to our channel.